Welcome to Wednesday's Financial News Review, presented by Centrafex, a multi-award-winning Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest financial news.
Intel's stock price dropped by 2.2% to close at $19.85 on Tuesday, as investors express concern over its decision to sell a 51% stake in its Altera unit at a valuation lower than expected. The French stock market index traded above 7,300 euros on Wednesday, rebounding from early session losses but still lagging behind regional peers, as optimism over a potential pause in U.S. auto tariffs was partially offset by sharp declines in the luxury sector. U.S. gasoline traded at around $2 per gallon, supported by stronger crude markets and improving sentiment after U.S. tariff exemptions and upbeat Chinese data. The New Zealand dollar traded above 59 cents on Wednesday, marking its seventh consecutive session of gains and hovering near its highest level since early December 2024. Ether traded at around $1,600 this Wednesday, increasing by 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether lost 17%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the annual inflation rate for March, following 2.8% in February. At 12:30 p.m., the retail sales in the US are expected to increase, after reaching 0.2% in February. At 1:45 p.m., Canada will release figures for the interest rate of April, following 2.75% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:15 p.m., the euro area to release the interest rate for April, following 2.65% in March. At 12:30 p.m., the housing starts in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching 1.5 million in February. At 11:30 p.m., Japan will release figures for the annual inflation rate of March, following 3.7% in February.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrafex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.